So this is part 2 of my interview with Dr. Maurizio Viel from London Center for Aesthetic Surgery. Now this video is specifically for you men, so you need to watch it till the end because it is revolutionary and who knows, it could change your life. So doctor, now changing the topic, I would like to know, is it true or have you noticed that there's been an increase in the awareness and the interest in male surgical procedures? Is this a growing market now?
Yeah, definitely is a growing market. There are more and more men coming over to the clinic to try to enhance their look and their physique and the body.
Okay.
And because now men, they see that it's more acceptable. The fact that you can go to do some treatment to look after yourself. Also because the treatment are becoming more natural, so there is less of a stigma attached to them.
True.
So for this reason the men are coming, and what they're looking forward, basically the men.
What are the top the top procedures for men?
The top procedure for men, I will tell you later.
Okay.
Yeah, let's leave the suspense a little bit. But what also majority, generically, what the men are looking for is to improve the look of the abdomen, to have a more athletic abdomen without going too much to the gym.
Oh, wow.
So when the men, they are not overweight, but they want to look better, basically they're coming to us to do what we call it a high definition liposuction versus lipo, where we can give the 6 packs to the men.
Oh wow!
And so then a lot of these men afterwards, they see immediately the difference, and then they are also more attractive to go back to the gym and work harder to enhance what they get. So that is something that is very much requested for men.
Because is there, for the men, do they have very hard fat that maybe isn't possible to get rid of just by going to the gym?
Yes, that's correct. And also if you want to get certain results, only through gym, you need to exercise so much and lose so much body fat that your BMI becomes so low, and then you look much older on the face, and that also is not good either. So through the use of the vaso lipo, we are able to attack this type of stuff, quite strong fat in the abdomen, and recreate the shape of the 6 packs through this technology, with this technique. That is a way of doing liposuction under sedation and get great results. So that's something that the men are looking for. And also the men they try now to look also younger on the face and to have a better complexion. So because of that they're still looking also for botulinum toxin injection, for some filler in certain areas, especially on the malar area when they start losing volume, and also reduce the heavy eyelids when they start getting a bit older, so that they open up their eyes so they look younger. So these are the treatment that they're doing quite a lot in men. But to go back at your first question, the signature that many men are looking for is to enhance the male part, the intimate part of the man.
Oh wow!
Yeah, so
and did you hear that? So that's a real fact.
This is a real important. And my brother and I in London, we've been the first one to perform this male enhancement procedure for the male organs back in 1991 in London.
Wow, so many years ago.
So many years, yes.
That's how long this procedure has been going. Wow.
And since the time we've been doing this procedure with non-stop.
And the effects permanent, doctor? Or is it?
Yeah, the effects are permanent. You may need a couple of re-injection of fat, but the effect is permanent. And I can tell you that because I see patients now after 20 years.
Oh wow! They're still going strong, huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
That's amazing. I mean, I think this piece of information is really revolutionary because this is not something that I think many men really do know about, or especially in the Middle East, because you're talking about back in 1991, you were doing this procedure in London, and then you brought it here to UAE, correct?
Yeah, 10 years ago.
And have you had that same response here?
Yeah.
You feel men are really
There is no difference of race or nationality, or age or skin color.
Men are
They're all
men
the same.
everywhere.
Yes, correct.
Okay, that's
And I always not make the similarity that we're talking something like for the breast for women. Some women, or they want to enhance, they want to feel more feminine, enhance the particular aspect of the body, and this applies exactly the same, increase the masculinity. For the men, improving the size of their.
Oh wow! So don't you feel also that maybe there has been a little stigma around this topic, or maybe men are embarrassed to talk about it with other men, or they are shy, or they don't know where to go for this? So I would like to, now that we're talking about this, men, if you want to inquire, please come to Dr. Maurizio Viel, because he is the specialist, he is the expert in this procedure.
Yeah, we've seen a lot. We've done a lot, yes.
And he can answer all your questions if you just want a consultation and get to know
Yeah,
more
we can
about it,
explain
because
everything.
it seems like it's something very new for
It's,
men.
yeah, some men they don't know about it, but for us, since 1991, we know what the shortcut, what are the effect, what are the possible side effects, what can be achieved. So in a relatively simple way, we can deliver information that we acquire over more than 25 years.
Wow.
And in this way, I mean, I can tell you exactly what you can get, what you cannot get, but also be honest, because if you last doing this type of procedure for so long, it's because you try to give realistic results.
Definitely.
So we don't want to sell, dreams and miracles.
Exactly.
So I always tell my patient, yes, I can do that, I can improve that, but remember there will be always someone that it will be bigger than what you
Of
are.
course.
But that's
course.
Unfortunately, for a lot, psychologically, for a lot of men, they always try to be the biggest, the most powerful. But that doesn't exist. It doesn't work like that. And then if you accept the fact that you can achieve, you can improve, but there will always someone more. They have more than what you had. That's fine.
That's fine. Of course, you need to maintain the realistic expectations. Of course.
And that's what I found that over the years, that's the most important message to deliver to the patient. Because you cannot keep going on a quest to get the impossible, otherwise you will make your life impossible.
Correct.
But not only for this particular subject we're talking about, but for everything in plastic or cosmetic surgery.
Yes, true.
So you must always find the balance. And you must always be in control of your research, of your dreams, of your wish that you have in your mind. Because you need to find harmony between what you are, what you want to be, and what you can achieve.
What you can achieve with your own natural features.
Yeah, and also with the help of the doctor.
With the help of the doctor, of course. But I feel also many people maybe are under the impression sometimes that just because you are going to have plastic surgery, you can say, oh, I want to look like this person, or I want that person's whatever part of their body.
We don't like that.
And exactly, and that is something that exactly what you're explaining now, that you need to maintain people's realistic expectations, and you can't make them somebody else.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah. And always remember, men and women, whatever you do it for yourself. You don't do it to please someone else, or you don't do that because you think that doing so you will find the love of your life. Okay, that what you do to enhance your confidence, it may make you feel and look comfortable when you're approaching and when you are relating with someone else, and then eventually it will give you more chance to find the love of your life. Let's put it this way. But do it for yourself. Don't do it for anything else.
For anybody else, definitely. Well, that really sounded amazing, Doctor. Thank you so
You're
much
welcome.
for shedding some light on this topic. Really, it was very interesting to talk about men's treatments and men's procedures, because male treatments is a growing market, and I think it's important to highlight these features and share some love with men to know that they should come here, and Dr. Viel is specialized in all these kind of procedures, so that is excellent. Thank you so much, Doctor. It was great being with you today.
Thank you.